Woodpeckers Stainless Steel T-Squares share the blade design of our stainless steel woodworking squares. Married to a compact T-square head that makes large panel layout a breeze. The blade features the same sawtooth scribing guides found on our popular stainless steel precision woodworking squares. There's a V-shaped guide every 1/16 of an inch. Just drop the tip of your pencil in the notch and guide the tool along the edge of your stock. But the sawtooth scribing guides aren't limited to mechanical pencils. There's room for any marking tool you want. Carpenter's pencils, standard wooden pencils, ink pens, and even permanent markers. We laser engrave high contrast scales on both edges. One edge graduated in 1/16, the other in 32nds. And the shoulder aligns precisely with the 0 on the scales. There are holes located at every inch, perfect for laying out shelf pins. The thin blade puts the scales right down next to your work, virtually eliminating parallax viewing error. They're available in 12, 24, and 32-inch blade lengths, or get the set of all three. Each stainless steel T-square comes with a wall-mountable racket, keeping your tool right in plain sight and always ready for work. Like all Woodpeckers tools, the stainless steel T-squares are precisely machined and carefully inspected right here in Strongsville, Ohio. Parallel scribing and outstanding scale accuracy in a tool tough enough to stand up to heavy use in your shop. Order your stainless steel T-squares today.